Hi guys, are you an ambitious nurse and you are looking for a business opportunity that you can actually start alongside your profession? In this video, I'm going to talk about the 6 benefits you are going to get when you actually involve or get started in network marketing. My name is Bronlyn Muchesia. Stay up to the end of this video as I'm going to teach you the 6 benefits you get when you actually involve in network marketing. As I start, sometimes I understand as a nurse, maybe sometimes your profession comes with different challenges. For example, it might be the standards or the things that you're supposed to meet, or maybe even your working schedule, or you need time freedom with them to enjoy with the people you love, maybe your family, your fiancé, and you want to challenge yourself by having a business that is going to supplement or substitute your normal daily routine or maybe your normal earnings. And that's why in today's video I want to discuss to you how network marketing can actually come in and help you to succeed as a nurse and also as an entrepreneur. First of all, you need to understand what is network marketing. First, network marketing is a business model that involves word to word or mouth to mouth. Or sometimes this is a business where your work is just to promote a service or a product and you get paid a commission. So since you are a nurse and you are used to talking maybe to, let's say, to people or your patients, then you have that an opportunity to do network marketing as a second business because you have already an ability to relate with people, because you can relate with patients, get to understand them, they listen to you as you keep on conversing with them. So since you are in that profession, already you are a qualified networker because you are good at talking to people, you are good at listening at patients. Therefore, business of doing word to word, mouth to mouth, doesn't become an hindrance to you. Already you have succeeded in doing this business. So what are the 6 benefits you get when you involve in network marketing? The first benefit you get when you involve in network marketing is it is going to supplement your income. When you look your profession as a nurse, sometimes the salaries varies, and therefore it gives you the need for you to have an additional source of income that is going to supplement some of the earnings you get or the need you need to have as a nurse. So network marketing is going to give you that business, that opportunity for you to actually earn an extra coin alongside your either monthly or weekly salary. Secondly, all network marketing companies promote or deals with the health and wellness. And since already you have passion for health, network marketing gives you an opportunity to interact and focus on health and wellness of different patients when it comes to products, which aligns you with your interest and expertise of nursing. So you have that opportunity to share with the different patients about different products and how the health benefits they are going to get when they actually start using those products. So as a nurse, you have that expertise and level of understanding the patient needs, and you have a chance to actually talk to them different products and how they are going to help them. 3, if you have a busy schedule or a fixed schedule as a nurse, network marketing does not mean that if you join this company or if you join this kind of business, you are going to have a fixed time for you to work. No, it is actually giving you that opportunity to have a flexible schedule whereby you choose maybe the best time you can work. Sometimes I get to interact with the different profession and I always tell them that instead of how, like, if you look at the corporate world, you find that they have a fixed time of you arriving and leaving your work or your job places. But network marketing doesn't work that way. You just have to set aside, let's say, like 3 hours on a single day or on a given day of a week, and you have a chance to work or do something that is going to relate with your business. It doesn't mean that when you join a network marketing company, you are going to have a 9 to 5 hour schedule or maybe you're going to have a full day. No, you just have to set aside a given time and you are going to do something that involves network marketing business. So it's going to give you a flexible moment or a flexible time that you are going to meet your time as a nurse. Also, you are going to do it as a business. Another benefit that you're going to get with network marketing business is it gives you a desire to develop on your your personal skills. For example, it's going to give you that opportunity of training and having that personal opportunity which can be attractive to you as a nurse who is looking to expand their skill set beyond clinical practice. For example, you're going to learn on how to interact with people, you're going to learn on how to present, you're going to learn on different mentors about on how to, maybe let's say maybe on how to maybe to present about a business. So you find that you're going to learn different things that comes alongside your clinical practice. Fifth benefit you get is just like any other business, network marketing will give you that urge of having entrepreneurial spirit. When you are a nurse, it doesn't mean that you can't run another business. So network marketing, just like in any other business, gives you an opportunity for you to run your own entrepreneurial journey or to start an entrepreneurial business. And as a nurse, you have that chance to actually run a very successful network marketing business. Lastly, it is about social connections. Now, as a nurse, you are accustomed to building relationships and connecting with different people, different patients, and different colleagues. But when it comes to network marketing, you are advantageous to succeed because in this kind of business model, your success depends on building a strong network of clients and distributors. And now, since you are used to communicating and getting alongside different people, then when it comes to network marketing, it's going to be the best and it's going to take over because you are used to talking to people. And the basic thing in network marketing for you to succeed is actually learn on how to interact and talk to people. However, I'm going to leave you with a caution. Remember, it is essential to approach a network marketing with the caution and a thorough research before you actually get involved in any company. Because remember, not all MLMs or network marketing companies are real, legitimate, or some even operate as pyramid schemes. So before joining, you need to know about this company. You need to know about the marketing plan, the compensation plan, about their history, for how long have they been in existence, is the company legalized at a given area. So those are some of the things you need to check. So actually, I'm going to leave a link along in the description. I've actually done on how to know the best network marketing company, or even how to know this company is real or legitimate. Maybe you're asking yourself, I've never done network marketing before, or what is network marketing business? And maybe or also you're asking, why should I join a network marketing business? For example, for you to start or to join a network marketing business, you just need a low risk or to buy a starting kit. Like if you compare traditional business or any other business, you find that you need a lot of finance for you to pay, or you need a lot of money for you to start a business. For example, you need to pay for the license, you need to pay for rent, you need to pay for staff salary, you need the raw materials, or plus other things that comes with it launching a business, which is very different from network marketing. Another thing is heavy lifting and merchandising of the products are done by the company. Your duty is to promote and the product, not to do the transporting of the product from the manufacturing process up to the office. No, your work is to promote the business and let people understand how network marketing works. Another thing is network marketing have training and mentorship. For example, if you are going to join my team, my responsibility is to make sure that you understand this business. I work with you, I support you, and I train you, and I show you everything you need to know about the business until you succeed. Another thing is you are working. So network marketing comes in as an extra income. Another thing about network marketing is it has no special education. Like for example, if you look to you as a nurse, for you to attain that rank of being a nurse, look at the education system you went to, the time you spent in school, the basic knowledge you need and the skills you need to require for you to perform nursing, which is very different from network marketing. You just need to learn specifically on how to interact with the people. Another beauty about network marketing is it doesn't have age restriction. Anyone at a given age they can join. And lastly, performance pays. This is the business model whereby for those people who are going to work very hard, very smart, and commit themselves to succeed, are actually going to make the pay, because it doesn't look at those people, it doesn't look at the weak people, or let me say the lazy people. or it doesn't have like if I may use in terms of payment, that certain people are supposed to be paid this amount, these people are supposed to be grouped at because they joined late or they joined long time ago. No, network marketing has an equal pay which is equivalent to performance pays. If you put yourself and commit to work, you are going to succeed. You don't need to have a lot of knowledge for you to get the money. No, put in the work and the benefits are going to come. As I'm almost winding up, let me know in the comment section what do you know about network marketing, or if you have a question about this kind of business model, let me know it in the comment section. But otherwise, if you're going to join my team, there are always three things that I always require from you. One, are you teachable? Are you coachable? And lastly, are you available? What do I mean by being teachable and coachable? This is a business. Maybe you have never done it before. My duty is to teach you. So you have to give me that time for you to understand how this business is done, because I have a role to show you on how are you going to train your people, how are you going to present, how are you going to talk to people. In case someone asks you a question, how do you answer, or how do you respond to maybe let's say a rejection or an objection. So those are some of the things that I always say you have to be teachable and coachable for me to teach you and get to understand. And when I'm talking about being available, it doesn't mean that you are now joining a job where you have a fixed schedule to work. No, let us agree on the best time that you are available and we can get to teach each other. It doesn't mean that we are going to spend the whole day or 24 hours or give a number of days as doing the business. No, we get to set time and we schedule our meeting and we get to learn about this business. So you are ready to join network marketing company business, or you want to learn about this business. In the description section below, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact. Reach out to me. I'm ready to help you everything about this kind of business. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to train you until you succeed in network marketing business. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. In case you have found something informative, give it a like. Also, if you have a question, let me know it in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Waiting at the other end.